Hello friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of AI chatbot Nova. You click on settings. You click here on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search for Nova app. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we go to storage. Then we click on clear cache. After that we click on Play Store. You will search for Nova app, AI chatbot like this, chatbot Nova, and here you will update your app if you find updates. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.